So hi and welcome to Custom Made Clothing. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own custom made polo shirt in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. Simply press click here. We're going to go into general use garments today, and that is where you'll find our polo shirt templates. So once you're in, you'll see you've got a nice selection of polo shirts here. On the bottom right, you'll also see that we're only on the first page of 2. So if you click to the next page, you'll see we've got even more. Now you can go back and forth between the 2 pages here until you find a design that you like. So I'm going to go with this one today. And while you're waiting for it to load, you'll notice that above your polo shirt, you can still access all those other designs that are available. Now once it's loaded, it is called a template for a reason, because you've got all these lovely colors to work with here. So I'm going to change my polo shirt to a blue one. Now to do this, you just click on the colors. I'm going to click on color 1 and then change it to a blue. And then you'll see this is still red, so I'm going to change that to a blue also. And there's some piping along here, so that's on color 4. I'm going to change that to a dark blue. Okay. So once you're happy with the design, the next step is to add any names, numbers, images, stuff like that that you want to add. So basically, you'll see the tabs up the top here on the right. You've got text. So you just type in that box there to add text, or you've got image if you want to upload a logo. So I'm going to go back to text, and so here you can just type in what you want on there. So if you want to insert your name, it's easy as doing that, then clicking on add text, and now by default it just ends up in the middle of your polo shirt there. Now there's a few ways that you can resize it. You can either click on the red box there and just drag it out. You can also scale it with this button here, or you can also change it just by the font size. Now you'll see there that there is other fonts available, so they're all pretty standard fonts that you see in everyday life. Impact seems to be one that works really well, and it turns out really well on polos. So today I'm going to go with that. You'll see it's aligned to the left. I want to center align that, so you can just click on center align. It's easy as that. And then you've also got obviously bold, italic, underline, and align right. Once you're happy with it, just simply drag it to where you would like it. Click off the text, and then you can see what it's going to look like. So mine's still a little bit too big. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Drag it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm pretty happy with that. You might want to add a phone number. So as easy as typing in the text box again. I'm going to change. So there we go. Oops, I shrunk it. I have to keep it going like this. Oh, what's going on there? Start again. Okay, so you can resize it, drag it to where you would like it. I think I've still got it a little bit too big. Yeah. I mean, if you did want it a little bit bigger. You can see it runs over to the white, so it's as simple as if you wanted to change the color, match it to maybe the blue piping. You can also do that. So if that was something that you wanted, maybe I might just do that. There you go. Mix it up a little. Alright, once you're happy with your design on the front, you can go to the back of the polo simply by clicking this tab here. And now you're going to be looking at the back of the polo. Now I'm going to add my logo in there today, so it's as simple as clicking on the image tab, and then there's a button there that says add image. Click on it, and there it shows the usable or acceptable file formats, and also just remember that there's a size restriction there. So just click on browse, pick out the logo that you want to insert, and then click upload. Now just be patient, guys. It can take a couple seconds. It can take up to a minute depending on your browser speed or the computer that you're using. So always just be patient. Try not to click randomly while you're waiting. Now you'll see there's a bit of a white space behind it. So to remove that, it's as simple as clicking remove background. Again, just wait for it. And there you go. It is removed. Once more, you can just move it around via the arrows, or you can drag it, whatever works for you, and scale it up and down. So use that. Once you're happy with it, just click off it. You can get a good view of what you've got on there. If you want to add text again, just go back to text. I might put my phone number on the back. Have it in there. Just slide it down the bottom. I'll change the font on the back. There we go. Click off it. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. Go back to the front, have a look. Make any changes that you want. Whatever you want. There you go. Okay, you're happy with that design. The next stage is to then get a quote. Before we do that, we'll have a look at the size information that's available on the bottom here. So you see our polo shirts are available in adult, youth, and ladies sizings. And you also notice a tab down here, video demo. So if you do get stuck during the design process, it's as simple as clicking on that tab there, and it'll take you back to this video and hopefully explain to you anywhere where you have problems. So now we can go get a quote, so click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to send us a copy of your garment, and it's going to send you a copy of your garment. So if you want to print it off, show it to your friends, anything like that, you've got it there on file. So here, pretty straightforward. Fill in your name, put in your phone number, put in your email address, repeat that email address. And here, just put in any questions that you may have. So and an approximate quantity. Nothing's finalized. This is just an inquiry form. You can still later change the designs, change the quantities. This is just the start of the design process. So then you click submit. Oops. So my email does not match. Wow, let's fix that. There you go, you've done. You have designed your own custom-made polo shirt in under 10 minutes. It's as easy as that. Now, at any point, if you wanted to design, if you have a couple of design ideas in your head, so you want to go back and say, hang on, maybe I would like that in a different color. So it's as simple as clicking on Design New. If you want to design a different garment, click Design New, as it takes you right back to the very beginning of the page. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for your time, and have a great day and get designing. Cheers.